Hi, welcome back to my channel, Crypto Boy with you. Now, what's the latest for Bitcoin? Is there a part that we can enter and be a swing trader? Or you want to be a seller investor where over a time you want to gather the cash? For me personally, I'm a swing trader. So let's go into the details of what has happened with Bitcoin in the last few hours. One, and two, let's see all the opportunities that we can find in the market other than Bitcoin that allows us to swing. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notification icon so you do not miss the content which I upload. I endeavor to do this daily, pushing content out so you can make a reasonable decision, a sensible one where you can make cash each day. So let's go over to the charts and look at the data of Bitcoin and other options. Let's do this. Now, let's go over. Now, currently I'm using a platform by the name of Binance, as you can see. And I highly recommend that you download this application where you can get access to various crypto notes and get the general data of what to do, what moves to make in the market. Now, currently, I'm holding one or two of these platforms, which is Chromia. That's one I'm holding. And I'm a swing trader in Chromia. Other platforms which I'm a favorite of is Ethereum Alpha, which is to the Bitcoin USD. The second alpha is compared with Alpha USD. The other is Alpha again with Bitcoin. And the other is ADA, then Polka, then earnings. Then I'm looking at Bitcoin. So this is my profile of coins which I'm keeping a close eye on. So let's go over the chart where we're going to look at Bitcoin itself and see what has happened in the market for the last few hours. And what we're going to do, we're going to look and predict what will happen in a few hours. So let me just tap on that and let's go over. Now, this is a profile from my phone, as you can see. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you a landscape view. Let me just go down. Bam, hit it like that. Go take it to the side. Let me just push this up a bit. Now, as you can see, this is Bitcoin. Now, currently it's at a price of $41,730. Okay, in the past hour or in the past 30 minutes, let's go to the chart. Now, if you're a swing trader, this is clearly a buyer zone where say within the last 30 minutes or so it was at 39,000, then it slowly raised to about 41 up to about $41,700, which is okay, not bad. Let's go to the hourly chart. Let me just tap on this to get the support. 1 minute support. Yeah, so we're going to move this and put it here. So each time it comes here, it gives us a form of support so we can make a logical decision if we want to buy. Let me go to the 15 minutes. So the break is within here. So I would say this is a swing trader buying market where I'd go in to this and then make a say take profit at let me just start this and go further down. Take profit at about say 42 because it's going up, it's fluctuating greatly, and I don't want to go and have a nap and then the market just blows away and leaves me behind. Also, let's have a little 5-minute graph where we can just see and make a logical decision. So here we have it dropped at about say $41,586, which is okay. Then it had say the support here. Let me go back to the 15-minute. For these trends, I would clearly go in as a buyer. So I'll buy at low and sell at high. We go to the 30 minutes. So there's a lot of, so it's like averaging off. We have buyers and sellers going into the same mode. It's coming, I think, to say a balance, a trend of one support. So it might be a bit challenging to predict what will happen in the next 2 or 3 days. But for me, I'm a swing trader. I try to make as much money in the shortest amount of time because, cryptocurrency is unpredictable to a certain degree with the coming in of NFTs and all these other factors in mind. So one has to be really mindful of what's going on in the market in 2022. Now, if I were to go to the market and look at, say, other other um, other cryptocurrencies like Harmony, which is quite low, and Chromia, and we have Polkadot. These currencies are really low. So if you do not have the cash to invest in Bitcoin, go to a platform which is of a shorter or less price bag or tag. And what you do, you gather the cash through swing trading per day, per hour. Get the cash from there, then you upscale your business and go into the Bitcoin section because Bitcoin is considered to be the head of all these stuff. If Bitcoin goes down, everything goes down. If Bitcoin goes up, everything goes up. So be mindful of Bitcoin. Keep in mind the movements of Bitcoin per 30 minutes, per 1 hour, in order to make a logical decision of where you want to go. Either you want to swing trade in a short period of time or you're going to be an investor in a long period of time. So let me go back over to my profile where I go to the section of my favorites. Just go over. Let me just exit from here. Yeah, now this is my favorite. Now, all these coins I'm keeping a close eye on. Now we have Chromia, which is, the system says that it's going up 5%. Sorry, 5 times. That means it's fluctuating a lot. Great market to go in and make cash as quick as possible throughout the day. The volume of this coin is about 48 million, which is great. Ethereum has gone down. Ethereum was previously like, what, $4,000? Now it's $3,118. Yeah, there's slight increase over a period of time throughout the hours of the day. Now alpha to Bitcoin USD is, now this is really low. We have 247,000 volume, and it's like $0.50. That's not bad, We go lower. We have alpha, which is have the volume of about 6 million SD. Okay, that's not bad, and that's going for half. Well, let's go into the market to see if we could make a flip with this coin. Let me just go to the chart here, as you can see. Go to landscape. Now look at this. This is descending, and we're having this a 4 hour. Let me go back to 5 minutes to see what's the market like. Yeah, it's just coming like to a parallel extent where it's it's going to be tight if you want to go in as a swing trader. Here, then we go 15 minutes. Let's see what's the market like. Is there any support? Can I make a smart move where I trend line? Can I get any form of support here? If I'm going, now this seems to be a slightly increasing, so this would be a buyer zone. Let me just put the support here. So this was currently at, say, 0.49 cents. That's support. If I were to go in as a buyer, I'll then get another put here. Now the resistance would be like on top to about here. So I'll clearly put in a take profit if I were to go in as a buyer on this platform where we have the alpha versus the USD. And it's under, say, like, is it about $0.50, which is not bad. Flip this, but I'll just, you see, for this, I'll just wait a bit because there's not much of a space that I can make a lot of cash. Now, if you were to go into this, you'll be making like what? Like maybe if you go into this, say with, say, let me just go to make my calculator. And we bought this baby for about half a dollar. Mr. Calculator, where are you? So we bought this. Say we went into the market with, say, $1,000, where we buy Alpha versus USD. So we saw that it was about, say, we have $1,000. Now, do not forget that Binance take a portion of your cash, and Binance will take about, say, $40 when you enter the market. So 40. So you'll have this if you want to invest about $1,000 with the fees of Binance. And Binance, I've heard, they charge a bit. Now, say that I have this in the market, then I need to buy Alpha, which we saw was about 0.49 cents. Now, I'll get about, say, 2,000 coins with this. Now, if it went up to about 2,000 coins, we'll just, it went up to about, say, 0.53. So just over half a dollar, or yeah, half a cent, maybe over 50 cents. Yeah, 50 cents and above. So we just times that by 0.53. We'll be making, say, that equals this, times that by that. Then we can, so if we were to go in, so we were making about, say, equals that minus 959. We're making maybe about, say, $900 if you were to go into the market as a seller. Or if you go into the market as a buyer, it's going to be different, but it's around that. But keep in mind the difference of when you go into the market and how much you want to sell it for at the end of the day. If you are, say, a buyer, or if you're a seller, it's going to be slightly opposite. And there are other coins to keep in mind. So please, guys, do not stick to one cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is a bit high. The amount of cash that you need to invest is about 41,000, or you can invest in a smaller portion, which is, it's going to be a bit challenging. If you're a new guy on the market that just want to make cash from swing trade, go into something that is of a lower price. For example, Harmony, Alpha. Please do your research. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your research and make a logical and sensible decision when you go into the market, so you do not lose your cash. Thank you for watching, and please like the video, subscribe, share the content that I have on my platform so more and more people can come over, make money online through Bitcoin and other coins. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you in a few hours with my other content. Until then, take care and bye.